Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. My name's Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio, and today we're going to be doing an overview of the S6W. So here in front of us we have the same exact speaker in two different colors. As you can see, we've offered the S6 in black for a long time now, and we are introducing the S6W, which is the S6 in white form. So I want to do a little overview as a refresher over this speaker to give you a little bit of details. The 6 in S6 means that this is a 6.5 inch woofer. It does have a 1 inch tweeter, so it's going to give you nice full range sound. We see these a lot for background music, even foreground music. It's going to provide full range sound, so we see this a lot in restaurants, retail spaces, outdoor patios, things like that, where you need good solid sound with decent output. It can be used for paging as well. So like I said, 6.5 inch woofer, 1 inch tweeter. It has a 70 volt transformer for scenarios where you need a lot of speakers. It does have an 8 ohm bypass if you want to run them that way as well. It's got a bracket that can swivel, so if you need to hang these high or mount these high and angle them downwards, you have the flexibility. You can also mount them vertically and turn them this way as well. So you have a lot of flexibility in mounting and making sure the sound's being thrown in the areas that you want it to. It is IP65 rated, so like I said, it can be used for patios, so it's going to be dust tight. It's going to be able to withstand outdoor elements like water and rain, things like that. So you'll have a peace of mind knowing that this speaker will last a long time, even outdoors. But it can be used indoors as well for a lot of different applications. If white looks better for your aesthetics that you're going for, that's great. But just know that we do have it in black and white to give you some options and flexibility. So it's a great little speaker. It's a great sounding speaker, and it's easy to use and mount, and very user friendly as far as wiring goes, because it does have a 4-pin Euroblock. Easy for daisy chaining your speakers together, going from one to the next. The transformer tap settings are a dial, so all you have to do is turn that thing to the setting that you want it for your application, depending on what output you're going for. So that's the basics of it, but we just wanted to let you guys know that this speaker is now offered in white. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We do have links to the products in the description below, so check that out. And as always, if you have any questions or need help, please give us a call or leave a comment and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for tuning in.